Hey everyone, it's Robert. Today we're doing something a little bit different. I'm going to make pizza in a air fryer. So what I like to do is I start out with traditional pizza dough. You can get it at any supermarket. Prego pizza sauce. Cheese. This is 6 cheese blend. And my favorite, pepperoni. And you can't forget chopped garlic. I love garlic. So let's do this. First you want to take and preheat your air fryer. You want to set it for 350 and you just press start. So what I like to do is I like to wash my hands first. You can see me okay, can't you? Alright, here we go. You take and you oh yeah, I want to get some olive oil. When you find it, let's use this. This is an olive oil spray. I always forget we have this. I like to use regular olive oil. Okay, so you start with the pizza dough. You want to take and push it into the pan, which looks like this. I'll take it out. Like this. You want to spread it evenly up to the notch all the way around. I haven't made this in about a year. Now you rip the pizza dough package to get the pizza dough. You guys can see the start and finish. So I'm just going to set that in there for now. And you want to push it down. And spread it out. Oh, the reason why you're way over here is because my brand new tripod I just bought, spent a lot of money on it, it broke. Go figure, the one time I need to use it, it breaks. So I have you on one of my super suction cups mounts for the car. That should do the same trick. So you want to take and spread out your pizza dough. And I'll bring it over there so I can show you, because I had other plans with the camera being up in the air higher, so you could watch everything that I'm doing. So this is what it looks like. You want to just spread it out so it matches the bottom of the pan. And this is really fresh dough because it keeps bouncing back. Okay. Once you get that far, that's when you add the pizza dough sauce. And it's just a regular Prego pizza sauce, bold and spicy. So I like to pour that into the pan, and then I get a spoon, just a regular spoon, and smear it around. And you don't want to go all the way to the edge. You want to leave maybe about a half an inch. And I'll bring it over there and show you guys. So it looks like this. Now, I like a lot of pizza sauce, so I'm going to be adding more to it. It doesn't take long to make this. Only the cooking part takes the longest. Alright, so let's add more pizza sauce. And I just pour it in here like this. So you guys could figure it out. It's going to be a lot of sauce. And I just leave it in the middle. Just like that. Making sure you guys are recording. I don't want to have to go through this and not get any pizza out of it. Okay. Sauce, that goes in the refrigerator. Now we need the cheese. Cheese looks like this. You should be able to see it in there. It's all shredded up really small. And you take handfuls and you spread it around the sauce. So you cover the sauce up. And I like a lot of cheese, so that I'm putting on here. And because this is a thinly sliced cheese, I always put a little bit extra on there because it's less cheese instead of if it was cut coarse. Okay, that just gets zipped back up. Now for my favorite part. Yep. If you see any cats walking around, we have 3 cats. Sunny, Sapphire, and Frankie. Sunny. Okay, let's put some pepperoni on there. Oh, I usually get like about that much. So this is what I start out with, and I gently put it onto the cheese. And I put them in rows, like overlapping. So it looks like this. I overlap the pizza, the pepperoni, so it looks like this. And I like a lot of pepperoni, so I just like put it on there. Then I push it down. And now we are ready to cook it. You don't want to put the chopped garlic on it until the last minute. Because garlic equals burn if you cook it too long, and then it tastes sour. It'll ruin the whole pizza taste. Okay, we got that. The garlic over here. Okay, so now we're going to cook it. So you close the lid, it's going to want to heat up. Okay, that cycle. Let me do this one. Bake 25 minutes at 350. Start. And what it's going to do, it's going to start heating up. And once it starts heating up, it's an alarm. And I have to come over here and open it up again because it thinks that it doesn't have food inside. So you just open and shut it and it continues cooking. On your air fryer, on this one, it's a Ninja brand. There's going to be little lines that line up here, and that's when it's like getting to the point where it's preheating and when it's going to be finished. Preheating. It's just these lines tell you when it's ready to start cooking. Okay, so right now it just alarmed, and it says add food. So all you have to do is open the lid up because you already have the food inside and close it. It goes to 25-minute countdown, and then you just have to watch it. I like to let it go for like 5-10 minutes, and then I open up the lid and check it out. It makes it cooking longer, but it's better to check it than burn it. Oh, and I'll turn you guys back on when it gets close to that point. You guys should smell what it smells like. It smells awesome. Cheers. Water and ice, my favorite. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes. Let's check to see what it looks like. Okay, the dough is starting to cook a little bit. Now, because I opened the lid up, I gotta wait for it to heat back up again to start cooking. It just takes a little bit longer doing it this way. So I'm gonna let it go for about maybe 10 minutes this time. It's down to 21. Okay, it's been 10 minutes. I don't know why I'm leaning over. It's been 10 minutes. Let's check it out. I'll bring it over there to you guys. Let me first find a mitt. Okay, so it's starting to look like this. You guys see it? Looking good. We'll check in 5 minutes. I want to check around the dough to make sure it's crispening up, and that lets me know how much longer it needs to cook. Let's check it out. I need a spoon. Okay. Probably about 10 minutes probably. The bottom's crispening up, but it still shows a little bit of the dough where it's not even heated up. It's still cooked. Oh yeah, you've got to have a pizza cutter. This is the only way to cut pizza the right way. They don't cost that much. You can pick them up for about 10 bucks, $13. Let's check it. And my spoon. Okay, about 5 more minutes. I'm going to put the chopped garlic on right now. I'm just pouring it into the spoon and then spreading it. We'll check it in a couple of minutes. That's what it looks like. Looks really good. Maybe got one more minute. Let's check it. Looks good. It's done. Here's the finished product. Garlic pizza, pepperoni. Oh. Okay, let's cut it. Now, if you're cutting with a pizza cutter that's really sharp in your Ninja frying pan, you got to do it lightly. You don't want to do it too hard because they'll dig into the pan. So I just do it lightly. And there we have it. It's still too hot. And I cut it up like this. And I think that will conclude the cooking show for today. I thank everybody for being here. Pizza, pepperoni, and garlic. Thanks for watching. Till the next time.